HR How to for the World of Work. How to find work from home jobs. Thanks to the internet and software technology, working from home is now possible. Many employers offer fully remote positions, and salary ranges can be six figures for some roles. This is not to say that those less qualified cannot work from home ultimately. Let's look at ways you can find work from home jobs. Search Indeed for fully remote positions. If you search for a job, look up positions that match your profession and experience. Underneath every job, you should see whether the job is fully remote, hybrid, or on-site only. For example, here I am searching a job for a graphics designer in Kansas City. As you can see, I can filter my search by selecting the remote, distance and date posted filters. These filters allow job seekers to fine-tune their job search and apply for positions that are most relevant. Keep in mind that the more filters you apply, the narrower your search result will be. In this case, you must turn off a few filters to slightly broaden your search. Indeed is by far the most powerful job searching platform in North America, and employers who have posted on Indeed tend to be very responsive as compared to other job search platforms. From here, you can pick and choose from which jobs you would like to apply for. You can do a nationwide job search if you filtered your search for full remote jobs. Doing so, you have the liberty to apply to all the relevant remote jobs no matter where they are located in your home country. Get paid to take online surveys from home. You can still get a work from home jobs if you have no higher education or skills but can read and understand English. You can get paid to take surveys at home. The websites that I recommend are legit. These online survey websites pay you below minimum wage, as you are not an employee. Instead, you have to sign up as an independent contractor. One Opinion pays $2.03 per hour. Survey Junkie pays $1.50 per hour. Become a pet sitter. Technically, this is also one of many work from home jobs. You will have to care for others' pets and be paid for your services. You can get started immediately through pet sitting apps like Rover. You need to be responsible, caring, and mindful of each animal's needs. The occasional dog walk is involved, but it is a fraction of the responsibility requiring staying home with pets. Sell merchandise on the Facebook Marketplace. You could order products in bulk through Alibaba.com and sell them for a profit by posting images and descriptions of the products. You can get started immediately, as all you need is a Facebook account and merchandise. Open a virtual restaurant in your home. Apps like Uber Eats allow you to open a virtual restaurant. You can turn your home kitchen into a business by cooking at home and selling home-cooked meals on Uber Eats. You will not be an employee of Uber Eats, you will be an independent contractor, so your income can vary depending on your virtual restaurant's popularity. Conclusion: there are 100 other ways you can earn money right from the comfort of your home. However, these would require a lot of hard and dedication, while others will require a significant investment. For example, to start freelancing on Upwork, you need to have a solid freelancing history, otherwise, it will be impossible to get hired for jobs. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell, so that you never miss out on helpful content by HR How To.